It's a 2009 Honda Accord sedan. Honda's flagship car isn't just a vehicle, it's a legacy. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: AM/FM satellite radio, 8-way driver's seat control, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, multifunction steering wheel, dual zone climate control, inline 4-cylinder engine, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and manual transmission. Of the Accord, Consumer Guide reports its rewarding balance of price, performance, and passenger accommodations make it a best buy for shoppers in this class. It's a Honda, so longevity comes standard. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Call us today at 561-508-9936.